Hey! What are you talking about? You dumb?
Hello, NV Auto Body.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Why you always call me? Who are you?
This is NV Auto Body.
Who are you?
Who called you? I'm sorry?
Why you always call me?
I said this is NV Auto Body. Do you have any vehicle here?
No. You say that.
What?
Well, I just walk here. You have something talk to my boss here. Just talk to my boss. Don't talk to me, okay?
No, sorry, I don't know who you are, and I don't know why you're calling here screaming.
You understand?
Excuse me?
Go back to your Vietnam, okay?
The hell? You're the one that can't speak English, and you're telling me to go back to Vietnam?
What the fuck, the Vietnam people?
What is wrong with you? Some guy's calling, screaming, telling me to go back to Vietnam and shit. Like, I don't know what the fuck he wants. And he can't even fucking speak English.
Hello?
Who are you?
Okay. How may I help you?
Why you always call me? Who are you?
What do you mean always call you? You calling us. This is NV Auto. You calling us, sir?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, yeah, I don't know what you're talking about too because you calling me right now on my phone. I just got a phone call.
Well,
this is a business phone.
I just walk here.
So
okay?
I think if you want to play a game or something, this is not the place for you to play a game. Okay? I appreciate all yours.
Go back to your Vietnam, okay?
You come ahead and scream. It's fine. I'm still gonna laugh.
Vietnam people, I kill you, okay? You come out.
You make a joke of yourself, sir.
Vietnam people.
Are you mad?
Vietnam people, come here.
I'm not mad. You mad?
What the fuck, the Vietnam people?
Yeah, it's okay. You can be mad at yourself, not me. I'm laughing.
Go back to your Vietnam, okay?
Thank you.
Come here.
Thank you for the comment.
You come here.
Okay, you come out where?
Who scared you?
I'm sorry. You're just making yourself look bad.
No,
you're making
you, okay? I tell you, okay?
Okay. You're just making yourself look bad, sir.
Fuck you.
Okay, you can do that. You wish you can.
Call the police, okay?
Okay, call. Go ahead. Thank you.
No.
What do you mean no?
You understand?
I'm just laughing because you call it business and you make a like unprofessional comment. You're making a joke of yourself. That's just unprofessional.
Go back to your Vietnam, okay?
Thank you. Bye.
Fuck you.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, how may I help you?
You called the wrong number, right?
No, I don't call you, sir. You call me.
What's your name?
I don't need you. You don't need to know my name, okay? This is a business. You calling me.
How do you spell your name?
How do you spell? I don't know, sir. Okay, you have a problem, you can always call. Okay?
You can call my boss.
Thank you.
You can call my boss. Talk
no,
to
sir, we don't call your phone, sir.
Don't talk to me, okay? You can call my boss.
Okay, you can say whatever you want.
Vietnam people, I kill you, okay? You come here.
No need. What do you say, sir?
Come here. You come here.
Sir, you called the wrong number. This is a business phone.
We don't bad people. We don't people. Come here. Hey, you bad people.
Sir, are you okay? Do you want me to call mental institution for you?
No, somebody kill
Are you okay? Are you mentally ill?
Who scared
What
you?
did you say?
Fuck you.
Sir, we're gonna call 911 right now.
Okay, are you okay? You need to call a mental institution?
What the fuck the Vietnam people?
Okay, thank you. You keep pressing, okay?
People. Vietnam people. Come here.
Goodbye. Thank you.
You can call my boss.